Hi, it's Dr. Kim D, and this is a series of exercises I'm going to take you through that I do with my private clients and with my patients to get them centered in their body and teach them to start working with their mind-body. Your body is your physical form, and we tend to think that we end here. But in reality, we can expand our awareness far beyond our body and have impact at that level, impact on our health and impact on our life. So this first energy mind-body exercise I'm going to teach you is the centering exercise. It's the magnet or the centering exercise. This is a way to pull back all of your energy right here into your body so you can use it for healing, so you can use it to create what it is you want in your life, so you can use it to contribute to the world in the way that you know you're meant for. When our energy is scattered, which I'm going to explain in a minute how it gets scattered, we're not resourcing it. So we end up in these situations where things are stuck. I'm hopeless and I can't get better. My doctor told me there's no solution. Nothing can be done. Or my child is misbehaving and my life is falling apart and there's nothing I can do about it. I'm depleted. I'm at my wit's end. These are the kinds of things we say when we aren't able to resource our own energy, when our energy is not available to us. The truth is that to make our life work, we must resource our own energy. We must be in our power. So in this exercise, you're going to take back your power from all these places where it can get scattered. So one of the places we can scatter our energy is in the past. When our energy is scattered in the past, it brings up a lot of anger, or it can bring up resentment, regret, sorrow. Why? When our energy is in the past, we're thinking about or mulling over what I did wrong, what I didn't do right, or what happened to me, what someone else did. And now I'm living as a victim because I can't get that energy back. This should never have happened, or I wish I didn't do it that way. And when we've made any of those conclusions, or we're thinking about those things that happened in the past that we wish didn't go that way, we aren't resourcing that energy for the future, for the present, because we can't change what happened in the past. It isn't a possibility. So when your energy is caught up in something that isn't a possibility, there's nothing you can do about it. So I'm going to empower you in this exercise by, one of the things we're going to do is bring back your energy, unhook it from those people, events, circumstances, and experiences, just the memories, so that it's available for the here and now. The other place where our energy can get scattered is in the future. And when the energy is in the future, you're anxious, worried, fearful, can bring up a lot of anxiety. And the reason is that I'm thinking about what might happen or what might not happen or what I hope happens, but I'm not really sure it will, so I don't feel completely confident. And this is subconscious, right? You're not necessarily aware of these records playing in your mind, but you will be aware of either the anger or the fear, the anxiety. And it doesn't mean that you need medication necessarily at all. What we can do is to unhook your energy from the future, unhook those records playing in your mind and just bring that energy back. Your body always lives in the present moment. It can't live anywhere else. So all you have to do, you don't have to process it or go to a therapist for 10 years to forgive this person in your past, and you don't have to change your entire life so you can feel confident about the future. All you need to do is bring your awareness into your body. Feel your body. Your body has immense wisdom for you. It has gifts for you. And when you access the present moment by bringing your energy, your awareness into your body, you will unhook your energy from these other areas. So it's no longer messing around and scattered in these different places, creating chaos in your life. And there's two other places where our energy can get scattered I'll speak about briefly. One is identification with I, which is I'm a doctor, I'm a woman, I'm 42 years old, and so it means something. I'm a doctor, therefore I should be very professional and I shouldn't laugh too much or be too loud, whatever that means. But in an identity where I have an idea about what that's supposed to mean, how I'm supposed to feel at age 42 years old, or how I'm supposed to behave, it limits me to what is really present, how I organically am moved to express myself or to behave or to dress or to be in any way. So when we have our energy caught up in this identification, it limits health, it limits well-being, and it limits our expression of our energy. The last place is you, others. How do I think others are thinking about me? Oh, what do they think? What are they going to think of me if I do that? Or are they talking about me? Are they judging me? A lot of judgment can come up when I have my energy put into other or you. What do you think of me? What does my mother think of me? Or what did you say? Oh, this person said this and now I feel really bad. So it's the sense of obligation, like I'm supposed to be something for everyone else. And energy, our being, ourself can get scattered there as well. So we're going to bring all of this back into the present moment by using the magnet centering exercise. Are you ready? We're going to begin. So I'm going to have you close your eyes and I want you to just start breathing. So take a few deep breaths and relax your body, relax your abdomen, relax your shoulders. And you're going to imagine that there's a magnet, a giant magnet in the center of your head. Keep your eyes closed, keep your body relaxed, keep your breathing slow and deep. One big breath. And let it go. And this magnet in the center of your head is going to collect all parts of you. So if you could imagine that there are parts of you floating off in the past, and that might be out to your left side, your past, and just imagine any parts of you stuck back in what happened to you, what was done to you, memories, events, what you did right or did wrong, who knows. And I want you to bring all of your energy and attention back right into the center of your head like this giant magnet, supercharged magnet, just sucks it all back in, into your body, into your head, in the here and now. Take a deep breath. And then release. Great. Now I want you to imagine any of your energy or attention that's off in the future. And if you see that over on your right, way out in the future, you may have your future timeline out toward your right. Just imagine all parts of yourself releasing from there and getting sucked back into this magnet in the center of your head. Any areas where you're thinking about what you need to do next, what's going to happen later today, what might happen next year, what might not happen, things you might be, maybe you're afraid of, any fears you have, just let all of that fall away and dissolve and bring all of your attention, all of yourself back into the center of your head. This giant supercharged magnet just sucks it all back in right here, right now. Pull it in. Take a deep breath and let that continue to powerfully suck in your energy. And that's just about to complete. Release and exhale, and good. You've pulled all of your energy into this giant magnet in the center of your head. And then anything that's stuck in identity, the ideas I have about myself, the ideas I have about being a man or a woman, the ideas I have about my career, my age, my roles, just releasing that, let it float away like dust, and then pull your energy back in. This giant magnet sucks it all back into the center of your head. Good. And then lastly, releasing any concerns of others, any energy that is invested in others, just let it fall away. And you're going to pull all parts of yourself back here into this giant magnet in the center of your head, releasing what people said, what they may be saying, what they think of me. Just let all of that float away like dust and pull your energy into this giant supercharged magnet in the center of your head. Take a big deep breath and relax. Blow it all the way out. Okay, great. So now you're going to imagine a second magnet in your chest, in the area around your heart, a big, powerful, supercharged magnet. And this second magnet is going to pull all of your energy from your head all the way down into your chest. So all that energy in your head comes down through your neck, down past your shoulders, down all the way into your chest. And as you do this, you can feel the area in your chest. Your awareness in this area is enhanced. So pull all your energy and let that just complete. Great. Deep breath. You're doing great. Put a third magnet in your core, the area just below your belly button, in the midline of your body toward your back. And just imagine this third powerful, powerful supercharged magnet. You can see it as big as it needs to be. Pulls all of your energy and attention all the way down to your core. So let that pull the way down through your abdomen into your pelvis, right into your power center. Just down below your belly button, deep in your body. Pull your energy all the way down into your core. And now I want you to anchor it into this space. Take a deep breath. Let that magnet be even more powerful and pull all parts of you all the way down into your body, into your core. Take another deep breath. Good. And now I want you to just give instructions to your body. Set your intention. I'm going to keep part of my attention all the way anchored down in my core. I'm going to keep some, even if it's a small percentage of my awareness, I'm going to keep a part of my awareness on this magnet continually, pulling my energy down into my body so that I'm grounding my awareness deep down into myself. And part of me, whether I'm engaging in conversation or I'm driving my car, whatever I'm doing, part of me is always anchored deeply in my body to monitor what's happening, to feel what's here, and to keep me present. Take a last deep breath, allowing this energy to expand down at your pelvis, clearing out the space. Sometimes emotions come up. Sometimes it might be a little unsettling when you first bring your awareness and your energy all the way down into your pelvis. That's okay. Just let this clear out the space with your awareness, sending love to this area, sending a sense of peace, knowing you have transformed your existence by this exercise. And take one last deep breath. Exercise and release. Great job. This is an excellent exercise to use anytime you're feeling anxious or you're feeling overwhelmed or you're feeling anger, anything where you want to just come into a center of peace and of wholeness, or you want to get insight and awareness from your body. You're overwhelmed, you don't know what to do, you're scattered, should I do this, should I do that? Just bring your awareness into your body. This is the first step in accessing your body's wisdom. I hope that you have enjoyed this exercise. Use it as often as you would like to deepen the power of your presence and the power of your mind-body connection. I will see you in the next video. Many blessings from Dr. Kim.